Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday. I think it's the 16th of July. Yesterday was the 15th. Pretty sure today is the 16th. It is 7:30, and we are headed into work. I have not recorded in a minute. I'm not sick. I think it's just my allergies. I don't really have allergies, but I know it's just messing with me. But I kind of gotten caught up in this job a little bit, focusing on doing it right, doing it good, things like that. So I've kind of been slacking on the recordings, the YouTube, and even my even the travel business. So we're trying to balance that back out now. I've been on 3 routes by myself, delivering back to myself. Today will be my 4th day delivering by myself. So I plan on bringing you guys along. We are pretty much right on time. They're pretty lax about arrival times. I've been there from 7:45 to like 8:14. There's been no issue. So it's pretty much you get there at 7 or get there at 8:30. Between that time, you're pretty much fine. You can do the loading trucks and stuff like that. I've been working on getting there a little bit earlier because the earlier you get there, the more control you have of how the package is going in the back of your truck, which in turn helps you when you're delivering. But it is what it is. But stay tuned. We'll have more today about delivering, and I'll see you guys when we get to the warehouse. I think it's time I need to clean my windshield. Boy, there's a lot of plug splatter on that. Alright, it is a little bit past 9:30. We just left the terminal and we're headed out to our first job of the day. I don't really want to record too much while I'm driving because there is cameras in the vehicle. I'm driving a company vehicle, so let you guys get to the first stop. Alright, so I want to talk to you. I thought I was going to talk to the first door. Well, it is 5:11 and I'm done for the day. It went pretty good. I did about 20 stops an hour, which is pretty good. I had a really big amount of mislabeled packages and packages that weren't in the manifest or weren't in my scanner. A bunch of stuff. I'll talk about that later, but just headed back to the terminal right now. Gonna park the truck and get in the car, and I'll probably get in the car because there won't be company cameras in my car. Hopefully. Alright, so we're finally out of there. Long day, but Wednesdays and Thursdays are usually the long days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday are kind of shorter. I did end up going in yesterday and working Tuesday, which is also a big day. But today was my biggest day I've delivered so far. I had 135 stops. I think I actually had 137, but 2 of them go through. Some of them didn't go through. Some I did some extra ones. It's all kind of confusing, but overall I did 135 stops. My last one was probably around 5-ish, I'd say. So 10 to 5, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 hours. So not bad. I'll take it. Also, I make $140 a day here, so it's daily. It's not hourly or anything like that. So the faster you go, the faster you're done. The more money you make per hour. You know what I'm saying. But yeah, work over. Gonna head home. I think the kids want to go for a bike ride, so we'll see what's going on when we get home. I know Jess said she's making food, so we'll see. Hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll tell you when I get home. Might want to eat your food, or we're not gonna go anywhere.
No. Did you see what I tagged you in?
Something about dragonflies.
Yeah.
I didn't look at it though, all the way. Eat. How was your day?
Terrible.
Why?
We're in 3-part.
The building didn't burn down? The building didn't burn down?
I wish.
Then what do you do with your things? Did you put your fingers in ketchup? What's wrong with you? Grab about that out of the bowl. I was just eat with him and just licks her fingers off. God, they're gonna hit me. I got scared.
That's what Trust just said.
Ella, today, Junior. Eat it, or you're not gonna go anywhere.
Jeez.
Chill out, Coffin McGee. Smoke another one.
Coronavirus. Ew.
What's wrong with you? Come here, let me see your new tooth. I mean, your new tooth, your old tooth, your loose tooth, your poop tooth. Yuck. Disgusting. Down, down. Okay, you're stretching your mouth out too much. There. Whoa, too close. Why is it all crooked?
That's what happens when they're loose.
Quick, what's wrong with you?
She did push it out with her tongue. Face off of me.
And then she farted too.
No, I know it's her. She was like drooling everywhere. You're disgusting. Let me see your tooth without you drooling.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't. There's no.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
There's no snow.
I know, I just want
Hold imaginary.
And one, and a two, and a one, two.
Better already.
Wrong way, Jet.
Yeah, you do. You don't need to turn around. Go. Pedal.
Push, 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 push. She's got
There you
it.
go.
Why didn't you learn how to do this? What happened?
Wait. Now, Jet, what'd you just say on the sidewalk?
He drives like you drive. Look at the jerky.
What?
Hey, you stop it. Just go.
right?
Worry about yourself.
Whoa!
The overcompensation is so funny.
I go faster and faster.
You're gonna run me over. You're gonna run me over.
I get
This is crazy because last year they couldn't even like ride their bike. We had to push them and like steer for them. They couldn't even steer the bike, let alone pedal it and steer. So me and Ella just ran a lot. That's why I'm tired and I'm fat. But yeah, it's crazy. We just went for a bike ride with them earlier this year, like a week ago, and they just rode it. Like they could just do it. I don't know. They're smart apparently. Who knows? It was nice. Came home to just already made the meal. We had some turkey burgers and green beans and fries. It was so good. Like, I know I'm getting old because there's nothing better than coming home from work and getting like a home cooked meal. So good. So heading back to the apartment right now. Go put the bikes away. Ella needs a new bike because her training wheels, like, they keep bending backwards. I think one of the bolts are stripped probably. But yeah, it's kind of a little update for right now. Gotta go home, put the kids to bed. I'll have to shower before I get comfortable tonight, but we'll see. There's a lot of bugs out, but crossing the road, must watch kids. What are you doing? Why do you always do that? Stop. Knock it off. It's not about you anymore. It's me now. Too short. Get your big forehead out of the way. Oh, we're falling. We're falling. What? Quit. Do something else.
Okay.
Not that. You're really taking that. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Get your yuck mouth hands away from me. You comfy? All right, good night. Did you fart? You smell like poop.
Doesn't smell like poo.
Yeah, but you smell like poop.
Yeah.
What's this right here? What's this right here? Okay, go away. Go get a small drink of water and get away from me. Shy, I just told her to get one right now. I got it under control.